In the first grade, we got hooked up. Next day later, we broke up. And then I got mad, shot my cat. And then my mom said, why did you kill the pussycat? The pussycat. Why did you kill the pussycat? I said, I don't know why the girl broke up with me. I got really mad, and then I started raping the pussycat. 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 Even though it was dead. It was so dead. I raped it. So hard. Oh my God. Pussycat. Pussycat.